Mila, what am I about to go do right now? What am I gonna do in the garage?
Fix the tire.
No way! What's up, everybody? I'm about to go finish up this bike. I did a bad thing today and ordered more parts. I gotta stop buying parts. Drill's been charging all night. I'm gonna get on this bracket for the exhaust, get the plastics on, and go from there. So let's get cracking on this. Look at that. Just spilled that coffee all over here. Alright, that was not the best way to start the day, but we got that all cleaned up. Now ready to go and get these parts. See, I'm missing the little link that locks this locking link, whatever it's called. I'm gonna see if I can get this whole thing. So I went to Mash Motorsports here in Spokane, but because of the coronavirus, they actually cut their hours short and they're not working Saturdays. I have the best chance of them actually swapping filters with me. Anyways, they're not open, so I went to Cycle Gear afterwards. They couldn't do it, but I did go get a chain link. It was only $2. I also went and looked at some gloves, the gloves that I picked up. I like the hard knuckle. You never know when somebody wants to fight, you know. Yeah. When we used to ride when we were younger, we've literally had somebody throw a rock about the size of half my head at one of my buddy's bike, and it hit him right in the front of the number plate, just for riding by. But another guy where he was spraying his weeds with one of those sprayers with the hose and everything, and he threw that thing at my buddy. He threw it at his bike. The hose wrapped around the chain, and the chain fell off the bike, and then the guy started running at us. And it was wild, it was crazy. And back then we were young. We were, how old were we? 16 years old. We weren't afraid to fight, but it was like, we don't want to fight. You fight somebody and then cops get called, and then you're already not riding legally on the street, so it's like, you know, you're probably most likely getting more trouble. So we just didn't want to deal with it. You never know when you need some gloves. But anyways, just wanted to let you guys know that, and yeah, on to the next part. Hey guys, so just came back from the store, got this chain link. This is what it looks like. Sorry, I like that song. Made a video with it. Check it out. First video I've ever made, actually. We're gonna go see if Mash Motorsports is gonna trade me or not, because this is too small for my carburetor. So we're about to find out. I got some parts in the back that just came in, and I'm excited to throw those on. Just got to Mash Motorsports. Let's go see if they'll do the trade. Just got out of the store. My dude, he hooked it up. What an awesome guy. Mash Motorsports, go get your stuff done there. What do you think about the helmet? Do you like it? Mm-hmm. You like the helmet?
I want the pink one. I need that.
You need a pink one?
Uh-huh.
Problem. This is too thick for this. No bueno. Not quite sure how to do this, but I need to make that hole bigger. While we wait to figure out what I'm gonna do here, we're gonna put this on. Not the most ideal thing to do, but make it work. You can probably tell by now that I'm not the most patient person. Of course, I'm not gonna just ruin my tools by letting it sit like that. I'm obviously gonna clean it up. Good as new. Now I'm gonna put this extension on there. This is about as wide as the handlebars, so I'm gonna heat that up and do that now. See, the hole is much bigger than before. It should be this size, so let's see how that looks. Pretty much perfect fit. The only disclaimer that I might have for doing this process is that it's sticky on the inside from it being melted. Even though I let it sit, I put water on it, sprayed it down on the inside, it's still sticky. I don't know if it will dry up overnight or something, but I don't care. I'm not planning on taking it off. Looks pretty good. Hey guys, so that's all I got for today. The bike is complete. I'll do a video tomorrow on running, maybe a little cruise, I'm not really sure yet, but it's fully functional, and the only thing that I'm trying to finish up now is just complete the looks of the bike. I just ordered a graphic kit that will be the very last thing that I'm going to put on the bike. Hey, want to say hi? Come sit right here.
Hi everybody, I have a new bike.
Is this your bike? Or are we gonna make me a pink bike?
Can you build me a pink motorcycle?
Yeah. Okay, you're gonna come back. Love that little girl. She's awesome. This bike, originally when I bought it, not when I bought it, when I had it a long time ago, I told myself that I'm gonna save it for my future kid. This was before I started dating my wife, Lydia, and before anything, and I did save it. And so this bike, whether it'll go to her or not, I don't know. Maybe down the road when she grows, maybe next year I'll teach her how to ride the clutch. If not, then we're gonna get her own bike and ride together. So Mila, hop on. Wow, look at that, you look so good on the bike. Well, that's gonna be all for today. It's been awesome to share with you guys, to do some other work on it, and to give you guys some content, give you guys something to watch, continue to keep you occupied. I'm hoping I'm adding value to you guys and you're learning a thing or two, and that you guys are actually enjoying some of this stuff. So if you guys have any questions for me, or you want to see anything specific, shoot a comment down below. But other than that, it's been an awesome day. I'm really excited how things have been looking out so far, and yeah, this has been fun. I'll see you guys on the next video.